When it comes to rivalries, Queensland v New South Wales has to be one of the greatest. So in a year where state borders have become more than just a line on a map, we decided to set the team a challenge to find the best four-wheel drive adventures their state has to offer. Each week, our teams will fight to prove that their state has what it takes to be crowned the winner of the very first Offroad State of Origin. Mate versus mate, state versus state, who will win? That's up to you. The Off-Road Adventure Show starts Sunday, Feb 21 on 10.